Now let's solve the tangent inverse function. Very simple. We need to prove that the tangent inverse function is an odd function, meaning that tangent inverse of minus x is equal to minus tangent inverse of x. So the first thing you do is you take this minus tangent inverse of x to the left hand side, not just the tangent inverse function, the entire thing. So now we need to prove this. So let's see how the left hand side becomes equal to 0. Well, you take the addition formula, right? You take the addition formula of the tangent inverse function, and that gives you this. So tangent inverse of minus x plus tangent inverse of x is equal to tangent inverse of minus x plus x over 1 minus negative x into negative x into x, right? So this numerator becomes 0 because it's minus x plus x, and the denominator becomes 1 plus x squared, right? And since the numerator is 0, the entire bracket becomes 0. And tangent inverse of 0 is, well, 0. So now we've proven this equation, and just take this tangent inverse of x to the right hand side, and you've proven the original equation given in the question.